everybody, it's me, Miss Ebony V. Welcome back to my channel. Alright you guys, so I am changing it up a little bit and going back to a human hair review. So this review is brought to you by ATOZWIG, who was kind enough to send me this wig, and I appreciate you, ATOZWIG. Thank you so much. So this wig is featuring this cutesy little bob here that I customized and kind of brought to life a little bit. So ATOZWIG calls this their Cool2Day Brazilian Remy human hair short bob unit. It's only in 10 inches with a 4x4 closure area. It did come pre-plucked and it is 150% density. So if you'd like to see the review of this wig, then stick around. Alright you guys, so as I mentioned, this is a wig from ATOZWIG, but they actually called it Cool2Day. So I don't know, I'm gonna go with the company name that sent it to me, ATOZWIG, but it's also called Cool2Day, and you can find it on Amazon. Alright, so this is the wig. Very short, cute bob. I decided to customize it by adding a few little highlights here in the front. And it did come pre-plucked. However, I went ahead and did a little bit more plucking at the hairline. And it also comes with baby hairs, so I'll see how those work out once I put this baby on. The cap construction, it has this 4x4 parting area with 2 combs on the sides, 1 in the back with adjustable straps, normal cap construction. Now, I did attempt to bleach the knots, but as I'm looking at it, I probably didn't leave the bleach on long enough. So I'm going to go ahead and add some foundation powder to this 4x4 parting space to help with a more natural look. Waiting for. Alright, so after I customized it a little bit, I went ahead and let it air dry with a little leave-in conditioner in it. And then I went back through and blow dried it with a rolling brush. And then I went through and flat ironed it. So I'm going to go ahead and put it on for you guys so we can see what she's looking like. Alright y'all, isn't this like the cutest little bob? I swear I wore my hair like this so much back in the day. This was my style right here. A nice little bob. Sometimes I had a little couple highlights in it. This was my style before I went natural. Like, I was a bob life. I was here for the bob life, y'all. And so this is really giving me vibes of back in the day. And it's not like it's an old style. Like, this is coming back. Bob life is in right now. It is almost summertime, so you know you want all that hair off your neck. So I'm really feeling this little cute bob, and I think the colors that I added gives it such a nice touch. I think it would have been a little boring if it didn't have these little highlights framing my face. So I'm feeling this. I really am. I think the biggest problem I had with this was trying to get this as flat as possible. This is it's a pretty full wig for a bob. I mean, I think it says it's 150% density. It's pretty full. There's no spaces or gaps or holes, you know, that you're gonna see with moving this thing around. I don't even like to shake it around too much because I need it to look like it's in place, honey. I want it to look like a nicely formed little bob, and that's what I got. All right, so let me give you all the information if I didn't already. I really do think this bob is highly recommended only because it's $48, y'all. A human hair, Brazilian Remy human hair bob. And now it's only 10 inches. So I actually like the 10 inches. Normally I would go for a longer bob because that's kind of what I used to rock, but I'm digging the 10 inches and it's nice and fluffy and full. So I'm digging this one. I like the 4x4, you know, parting space. I like my frontals too, but this just makes life a whole lot easier. I did add, you know, some light baby hairs. Y'all know I'm not, you know, really baby hair pro or nothing like that, but I did add a few light ones in here just to, you know, make it look a little natural. I'm always trying to make it look as natural as possible. Amazon Prime, like I do, I ordered it one day and I received it the very next day, y'all. Super, super fast shipping if you have Amazon Prime. And if you don't, like, who don't have Amazon Prime in 2019? I don't know. Maybe you're not like me and you just don't shop on Amazon. Like, that is my life. I probably shop on Amazon about 3 to 5 times a week, y'all. That is my go-to. So get you some Amazon Prime and you get stuff real fast. Next day, 2 days max. All right, so I'd like to thank ATOZWIG once again for sending me this beauty. I did have fun customizing it and making it my own, but this will be a nice grab wig for me that I will probably wear quite a bit. I mean, it's going to be a nice go-to for me, so I'm digging this bob, especially in the summertime. It's getting hot already, y'all, and I am a summer baby. Don't get me wrong. I love my summer. I was born in August, so I love my summer. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe if you are not already, and make sure your notifications are turned on so that you do not miss a video. All right, guys. I appreciate you for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye, y'all.